Good morning, everybody. How are we all doing today? I'm just smiling. Okay, listen, I haven't done one of these before. This is from Israel. And yeah, let's do it. So, first of all, before I start, as you can see, Phil from Germany, your comment made me smile, man, because I've tidied up my table the same day you sent this, and it just made me smile. You was right though, fella. I mean, I'm doing glass all the time and coins and stuff. I'm working non-stop, and it does go crazy. But I've done the table. Yeah, there you go. It's my coin collection there, and I've made the start, but I've got a lot more to do, obviously. But anyway, it made me smile. There you go. Anyway, so first of all, and look, I can see everything. I bet there's something I won't be able to find today, though. So first of all, we're going to punch a hole in it. I hope you're all doing well. I mean, it was out of control, I must admit. I could never find anything. It was crazy. But thanks for your comment, Phil. It made me smile, man. All right. I've got to drop my towel down because, there we go. Right. Let's get to it. Go over to Big Bertha. There's a few bits and pieces there, but that's okay. I am a mess though, you know. Big Bertha's leaking again. I hope everybody's doing fine today. Gary, Sarah, Bear, the two Ians. There's my hammer. There it is. Alan, Paul from Australia. Steve, Claire, and Joseph. How you doing, Joseph? Thanks for your comments, mate. Appreciate them. I tell you what, it'd be a good idea if I went back to there, wouldn't it? I'm so excited about a clean table. Right. Right. I was at the market yesterday. Good day. Very good day. Right. Where is my... See, here we go again. Where's my deburring box and stuff? I can't help it, it's me. That's not too bad. Right. I'll sweep them filings up in a little while. Right. So... God. Burning fire starter in my kiln. There's a load of stuff on the lid, so there we go. Right. I love it. I absolutely love it. Right, I should have everything now. We'll just show a bit of love with Bernie, warming up a bit. But I could do with a new worktop, which I will get eventually. Right, let's dry it off. My little damming block. So obviously we're going to go, this side's going to be sunny side up on the ring. It goes face down. We'll go over to Big Red. See, no glass. I'll stay like that for about 5 minutes probably. I've got to make more fish today. I sold 10 fish pendants yesterday. So, it was a rather good day. So now we want to find one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die. That looks quite good. Give it a bit of a wipe round. Bit of the old jollop. I just use coconut oil. You can use what you want, really. Right. Let's go back over. It's a big red again. I haven't cleaned the floor. I've got more to do though. Be a good idea if I put it over there. Right. That is pretty good. See, this cleaning up. Now I can't find my sandpaper. Here it is. I love it. You just want to make sure there's no scratches or cracks for me. See, get to it a little bit more love. I've got any more sandpaper here? Yeah. So if you don't make sure it's nice and clean, free of anything, you're going to split your ring. And who wants to split their ring on a Tuesday? That's better. Right. We shall now warm it up again because it seems quite a tough coin, this one. I don't have any more of these, so if you're from Israel and you're looking for a coin ring, I've got one. You can even send me your own coins. And check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. I can adjust the size of the rings in the shop up or down. Most of them, not all of them. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. If you're new to the channel, how about subscribing? It costs you nothing, it's free. I don't get anything out of it. I don't get any money out of it. But it does help my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. But I've been doing this for, what, just over a year, so I'm happy with what I've got. Right, now we go over to our favourite tool in the workshop. There he is. This is Spike. He's a ring stretcher. And a ring reducer, believe it or not. I used a kitchen roll just to protect the inside text of the coin. If I didn't use it, you'd lose it. It's like cash, really. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it. So stop paying with everything with your card and start using a bit of cash now and again, you know. If you're holding any gold or silver, don't sell it yet, because it's about to go crazy. The prices are going to go absolutely mental soon. Right, I'm just looking to get that bow out. There's a little bit still there, so we'll get a bit more love with Bernie. I'm just up had a shower. I try to shower once a month. Oh dear. It's the way I tell them. Right, that's pretty good. Yeah, I was on the market yesterday, and there's this woman started screaming and going like crazy as if she's been attacked. And what happened, this little boy had fallen in to the sort of harbour area, and he was under the water. His face was sort of staring up. This bloke jumped in. I mean, I'd have jumped in, but he got there before me. And managed to get him out. And they sort of done the up and down on the chest, and he puked up all this water, and he was okay. God, lucky little kid. There you go. There's no bow in it now. It's a bit cone-shaped. That's what we want. So now we can go down to the bottom end of the spike, and these are reduction dies. This is what makes your ring smaller. Let's put the big daddy in. Right. You're just looking for one. That ain't too bad. A little bit of the old jollop. And then we give it a bit of the old one too. Make sure it's nice and square. It's hip to be square. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, it's a thick coin as well. A touch more. That looks straight, but it's not. The lenses on these phones are crap. I'm just looking with my beady eye. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So, I'll neatly put these over to one side instead of just lobbing them around, as I usually do. And now we want to break out the one and only. Where is he? Here he is. David Dremel. We'll take out Felton John, and we shall install Kate Bush. This is the original Kate Bush. I couldn't find it, there was so much junk on my table, but we're back in, so that's good. This just gets the fire scale off. It doesn't scratch the coin. Wait a minute, yeah, there's a bit of a lip in there. Should have done this first. If you don't cut that lip out, it's uncomfortable to wear, and it gives you a false sizing. A little bit more. Now that's pretty good. So, I'll use a slightly more abrasive one to clean up that where I just cut out, because you can see the tool marks on the side. There, I'm going to clean it up. And this does the job. There we go, looks better. So we'll put Kate back in again. This isn't for anybody in particular. It's just me making a video. The lid is still on. Wow. Now, if I get polish everywhere, let's change him. We're sticking Felton John. Now the messy bit, my favourite part. I like messy bits. Rather nice. Right, let's give it a bit of a wipe round and clean it up a bit. Oh yeah, that's come up really good. That's come up better than I was expecting. And sometimes the quality of the coin, the actual metal, sometimes looks pretty sad. But this has come up rather sexy. I will, I'll fold this up a little bit, there you go, and put this neatly at the back. I love it. All right. Oh, a little bit that I chucked on the floor. Yeah, I'm pleased with this, it's really nice. So, what we got? That's beautiful. You got the text on the inside. Maybe I should have done the other side. Yeah, might have been better, but so what size we got? We have a size, quite a big ring. This is a size 12 and a quarter, 12 and a, just over 12 and a half. I can make it bigger for you, I can make it smaller for you. It fits this finger perfectly. I'd like to thank you all for your comments, I really appreciate them. And my late subscribers, if you'd like to hit the like button, that would be great as well. And God willing, I'll see you all on the next video. Take it easy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.